Hello, folks. So today is digging day. I have to dig out the around the septic tank and the distribution box so that the county can evaluate the septic. Septic tank is about here, and the distribution box is somewhere out in this area. I have no idea. So we'll be getting some exercise today. All right, so I've got the corner exposed here, and over there, and over there. So, and unfortunately, the metal rebar, the little tiny rebar that they had for the handle broke off. So I have to go to the hardware store and get some anchor bolts, and so I can attach a handle to this lid. But there's the hole of fun. So this will be my initial guide. I didn't fall in a hole. My initial guide for determining where I'm going to start digging for the distribution box. All right, that was easy. So I found this 6-inch iron pipe about 68 inches from the house. So that gives me 2 points. I can sight down and find where to start digging. All right, I think I'm here. Unfortunately, I think the distribution box is going to be in this region right here. But we have this huge crepe myrtle here, and that might be problematic. Might just be a pain in the ass to get the roots cut through. Bingo! Whoopsie! All right, finally, mission accomplished. There's the distribution box. The lid is about 2.5 inches thick, 2 to 2.5 inches thick concrete, and I lifted it up. Looks fine, so I'm gonna leave it like this for the inspector. Uh, so I did. That was the last hole I dug before I finally decided to go between this guy and that guy because that guy had no pipe. But so that's 1, 2, 3 where I did the oopsie, and 4 and 5 holes, the one way down there, to find the distribution box. So it wasn't that bad. This dirt's pretty easy to dig in. So anyway, I got to repair this with some fiberglass, and then I can fill in these other holes. All right, so I'm going to be epoxying this crack with some JB Weld and some fiberglass cloth, and we'll see how it does. So what I'm doing is I'm going to pre-saturate these things up here on my board. I've got my knees on. It's gonna make a frickin' mess. I've already cleaned. Sanded and cleaned. The plastic. Yeah, this is a mess. It's pretty horrible. But if nothing else, this is just a thick fiberglass or a thick JB Weld epoxy layer instead of being properly saturated cloth. But like I said, better than nothing. I think this should be sufficient. I think that's as good as I can do. All right, finally got a proper handle on it. People are probably going to look at it and think, why the hell did you put a rusty capable metal on there? But, you know, I'm going to have to call the septic guy to come pump. And, you know, he'll walk away happier knowing that it was really easy to get up. Anyway, so that's that job done. And so now I'll check this epoxy job. This is soft, a little tacky, but certainly not going to get epoxy on me. So this guy here, he's hard now. Yeah, he's nice and hard. So I can cover him with dirt. And of course, since that's done,